And it's already here.
Cars are
Yeah.
inside. Okay.
The train is already here. Yes, guys. Okay,要拍照吗？ Hello guys, welcome back with another video. We are in Wuhan, as you know. So in this video, there are some place. There is a place that I used to see it on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So right now I have to go there. Like, it's a famous place here in Wuhan. So we have to go there and see it. It's a train that's like transparent. You will be inside the train, but you will be seeing the ground like when you are inside the train. So right now I'm like entering inside the subway right now. So I will go by subway. So I will go there right now. So let's go, guys. There is no escalator here, so you have to use the stairs to go in. So right now we are inside the train. As you can see, everybody is just using phone. That's how they see life. We just minding their business. Everyone. Subway look clean and look very good. So this is the line. The train already active. Let's go up, bro. Oh, why? I think that is it. Exit C. Guys, we arrived at the place, and as you come, you'll just see the train station, and it looks amazing, guys. Look at where the train will be, passing. So it will start all the way over from here to that station. I think it's just 2 stations, and it's just like the station, like the line is not that long. This is the station. I think that we enter and buy the ticket, then we'll enter the train to the other station. I think it just have 2 stations, so maybe I will ask someone to help me buy the ticket, because me too, I don't know how to do it. So let's go, guys. Now you see the train, like the train is coming back, then the other one is coming out. So that's the train that will enter right now. We'll go and buy the ticket and enter. Yup, guys, we are entering inside, and this is how the station look like. So maybe I will ask someone how to buy the ticket. Hey, how to buy this ticket? Fresh ground milk. 你好，我要买票。
可以买次票、单次票，出站坐来回。
我现在没有。这个是一个是的。哦。哦，好的。Hey, look at the price of it.
在这儿没有。
Look at the price of it. Go and come back.
你搜一下这个
Go on,
轨
come
有
back.
没有这个？会有的话预约上。
Are you sure?
For one, yeah. So 现在怎么买？
这种就是没有。
如果搜了没有，会不会要
Hey, come closer. 现在怎么买哦？
WeChat
对，微信。
60。
So as you can see, anybody, like if you buy the ticket, then you will go over there and enter. That's the route.
Come down, take a nice shot, okay?
Okay. So here I am. You have to check in before going.
走这个马是吧？
怎么用？是。
对吧？
OK，
哪里？左边还是右边？It's rough, man. So we are going in, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see the experience, guys. Let's try this thing. So right now we are inside the place. Like we are on top of a building. As you know, like the train is not on the floor, on the ground. So let me show you how it is, guys. Like the train will be on top of this rail that you can, as you see, like a bridge. Then it will be rolling all the way. Like it will not go down. It will just be on a rail. Then it will go and turn around and come back. So that's how it is. It will be excited, guys. You have to stay tuned till the end of this video so that you can see how it look like and to see the experience.
游客您好，往南行山方向的列车马上就要进站，请注意安全。上下列车时，请先下
Look at the other train is full of people and it's going. And it's already here. Yeah.
inside. Okay.
So the train is already here. And you know we are entering inside. See the inside. See the interior. I'm feeling hot, man.
然后坐在啥子玩意？坐在上面坐在。
Amy, I'm not sitting you. I have to be on this glass. Feeling like the weather is very hot, so as we enter inside, I'm just feeling the AC, like the air condition is just hitting me. Anyhow, so this guy is just surprised. Like since when I came in, like he's making video of me. Yeah, just take it. Yes, guys. Okay, bye. 要拍照吗？ Bye. So I'm telling you guys, again, it's like transparent. You'll be seeing the floor as you are walking. So that's how it looks like, guys. Very, like, it looks amazing. And the view, guys, let me show you the view. On the screen, you will be seeing the city view. Good view, guys, if you are on the train. Let's go and look for a city. This guy has got top. Guys, it was amazing, right? From the city all the way over to the forest. That's the last stop. So let me show you like how it looks like. Oh, hey. So right now we are going back. As you can see right now, here is forest. So from here we will go back to city. And you know, I really like the experience, right? Guys, look at this. Yeah. right now we will go. Guys, the thing that I'm even surprised of is this thing. Like, you'll be on a transparent glass down here, and you'll be seeing different, like the ground. You'll be seeing outside, like you are on a transparent glass, looking at what is happening down on the plane. So that's what I'm like surprised of in this thing. Yeah. Even the Chinese are afraid to stand right here. Like everybody, if someone come here to jump and skip the glass part, but me, I ain't scared of anything. That's the best part of this thing that I'm surprised of. So yeah, it's another one too. Yeah, it's very like that's the best part for me. So what do you think about this thing? Anything like if you have anything to say, just leave it for me in the comment section so that I will know what you think about it. So guys, I really enjoyed this experience and it will look good, and I think it's worth it. So yeah, guys. So guys, this is the last bus stop. We already arrived at the bus station that we will go out. So right now we are getting out. Then
You observe.
observe what?
Convenience.
So where's
Not
the
to go again, you can go again.
where's the exit? Right now we are out of the train station and we are done. And it's already sunset. So look at the view. Show them the view.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're